Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine and so am I. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. In the last class, we have learned a very beautiful line. And in today's class also, I will teach you one beautiful another rhyme. Are you all excited? So let's get started. Okay, so our today's rhyme is Lucy Locket. See, here is the picture of Lucy Locket. And what she found, she's having a pocket. What she's having here? She's having a pocket. Now I will tell you what is the rhyme is about. So rhyme is Lucy Locket lost her pocket. You know what is a pocket? Like pocket, it is like this. Pocket is something in which you keep your money, your small things. Okay. So Lucy Locket has lost her pocket. Okay. Lucy Locket lost her pocket. Kitty Fisher found it. Now, who has found the pocket? Kitty Fisher. Okay. Kitty Fisher has found her locket. Okay. Now we will sing the rhyme once again. Lucy Locket lost her pocket, Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was in there. Now tell me, what is a penny? Penny is money, a coin like this, okay? This is called penny. Now, when Kitty Fisher found the pocket, there was not a penny was in there, okay? Not a single penny was in there. So, they were saying, Lucy Locket lost her pocket, Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was in there, just a ribbon round it. Now, what is a ribbon? Ribbon is a thread like this. This is called a ribbon, like this, okay? So, ribbon is around the pocket, okay? There was nothing inside the pocket but just a ribbon, okay? So, I hope you're getting the rhyme. Now, everyone will sing the rhyme after me. Let's start. Lucy Locket lost her pocket, Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was in there, just a ribbon round it. Very good, class. Now, like this, you will learn the rhyme and practice the rhyme. Can you please sing it all one more time with me? Let's start. Lucy Locket lost her pocket, Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was in there, just a ribbon round it. Very good. I hope you have enjoyed the rhyme learning with me. Now we will see you in the next class with another beautiful rhyme. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.